everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that packs some impressive features, especially considering its target audience. This is a 4K HD dual camera GPS drone that comes equipped with visual obstacle avoidance, making it a potentially excellent choice for those just getting into the hobby or looking for added safety. Right off the bat, the inclusion of a visual obstacle avoidance system is a major plus. This technology helps the drone detect and avoid obstacles in its path, significantly reducing the risk of collisions during flight. For beginners, this feature alone can provide a lot of confidence and peace of mind while they are learning to navigate. The drone boasts dual cameras, marketed as 4K HD. While the effective still resolution is listed at 12 megapixels and the video capture resolution is 1080p, having two cameras offers versatility, perhaps allowing for different perspectives or functions depending on the specific model's implementation. The promise of superior image quality suggests it aims to capture clear photos and videos for its class. Stability is key for good aerial footage, and this drone addresses that with both GPS and optical flow positioning. GPS is crucial for outdoor flight, enabling features like stable hovering, return-to-home functions, and accurate positioning. Optical flow positioning assists with stability when flying indoors or in areas where GPS signals might be weak, helping the drone maintain its position even without satellite lock. Control range and image transmission are also important factors. This model claims a long-distance control and HD image transmission range of up to 1,200 meters. This allows users to explore a significant area and get a good view of their surroundings from a distance, provided the environment is clear and free of interference. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity is essential for that smooth, high-definition image transmission back to the controller or connected device. Powering the flight is a modular smart battery. The description mentions an average flight time of 18 minutes per battery. Crucially, this package includes two batteries, effectively doubling the potential flight time in a single outing, which is a great bonus and means less downtime waiting for recharges. The modular design also makes swapping batteries quick and easy. Overall, this drone positions itself as beginner-friendly, offering app control for ease of use. The combination of visual obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, reliable positioning systems like GPS and optical flow, a decent control range, and the convenience of two batteries providing extended flight time makes it a compelling option for adults looking to get started with drone photography and videography without immediately jumping into more complex or expensive models. Its gray color and compact folded size of 11.41 by 2.16 by 11.41 inches when packed away in the included bag make it portable and easy to transport. It seems designed to offer a balance of features, safety, and usability for newcomers to the drone world.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.